Hello and welcome to Board 1. Today we are introducing the BZW-2.5TS mid-size type servo terminal crimping machine, a custom model designed for dual-wide terminal crimping. Powered by an advanced servo control system with digital press force adjustment, the machine ensures stable and reliable crimping performance. The touchscreen HMI offers clear, intuitive operation. Mounted on an adjustable support arm, it can be positioned flexibly for comfortable use. Key parameters such as crimping speed, force, and cycle count are easy to set and adjust. With real-time press force monitoring and automatic data recording, each crimp is tracked to ensure consistent quality. Multiple applicator profiles can be stored, allowing quick changeovers between different terminals. A BZW-2.5TS delivers a crimping force of 25 kN with shot heights of 119.7 or 135.78 mm to fit different applicator standards. The BZW-2.5TS provides precise, stable, and efficient crimping for modern wire harness production.